Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time the Sengled Smart LED light bulb. So here's the actual light bulb. Now this is the soft white color only. This is the equivalent of a 60 watt bulb and it consumes about 8.7 watts of power. And the light appearance, it's a warm white, 2700K. Okay, so there is a QR code here. That's how you're going to scan it on your smartphone to set it up. So first thing you're going to do is plug it into a standard light socket. And it's going to kind of flash to let you know it's in setup mode now. Okay, so in your Amazon Smart Home app, you're going to click the little plus button and we want to add a device. Or you may get this pop-up and it automatically connected to it. So the light kind of flashed a couple times. It's automatically connected to it now. I can hit view. So there is the light. I can turn it on and off with the app now. And I can turn it back on. I can control the brightness. It is dimmable. There, it took a little bit, but it did get dim. It goes really dim or full bright. And then I can turn it off. So since I can control it with the app, I can also control it with those smart devices. So go into settings, click the little wheel up here and change the name, give it a room name. That way when you walk into a room, you can say, you know, smart device, wake word, turn on this light, and it will turn that light on. And you can also put it on a routine where it turns it on for a couple hours at night or random times during the day. So it also remembers the last setting you put it on. So I've got it on 50% brightness. And if you turn the switch off and then turn the switch back on, it's going to go right back to that setting that you had left it at. So setup was pretty simple. Now let's take a look. You're just going to screw it into a standard light bulb socket. Overall, the bulb is about 4.5, sticks out from the socket about 3.25. And it's about 2.25 wide. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.